Most students preparing for UGC NET Criminology make one fatal mistake. They study everything but still fail. In this video, I am going to show you a smart strategy that can actually help you clear UGC NET even if you are starting from scratch. If you are feeling confused about what to study, how much to study, and whether you will even be able to clear the exam, you are not alone. UGC NET Criminology is not difficult, but it is unpredictable, and that's exactly why strategy matters more than hard work. Before jumping into preparation, you need to understand one thing: UGC NET is not testing how much you know. It's testing how well you understand concepts and how smartly you can eliminate wrong answers. Many students spend months reading bulky material but ignore previous year questions. That's where they go wrong. Let me break into this a simple three-phase strategy that you can follow. Phase 1. Concept building. Focus only on understanding concepts. Start with Unit 1 because it builds your base. Topics like crime as a concept, deviance, and theories. Don't rush. Watch videos, make short notes, and most importantly, understand examples. If you don't understand now, you will struggle later. Phase 2. Previous year questions mastery. This is the most important phase. Solve previous year questions topic wise. You will start noticing patterns. UGC NET repeats concepts again and again, just in different ways. After solving each question, ask yourself, why is this correct and why are the others wrong? And phase 3 will be revision plus mock test. This is where selection happens. Revise your notes again and again. Attend mock tests. Analyze your mistakes and improve your weak areas. Don't ignore your mistakes. They are your biggest teachers. Now let's talk about how to study smartly. First, never study passively. Don't just watch videos or read notes. Always ask questions. Second, use the 80 out of 20 rule. 80% of the questions come from 20% of the topics. Identify those high weightage topics through previous year question papers. Third, revision is everything. If you study something once and forget it, it's useless. Revise multiple times. Let me tell you the biggest mistake students make. Number 1, studying too many sources. Stick to one source and revise it multiple times. Number 2, ignoring previous year questions. Number 3, lack of revision. If you avoid just 3 mistakes, you are already ahead of 70% of aspirants. Now let's be real, this exam requires consistency, not motivation, not shortcuts, just daily effort. Even if you study 3 to 4 hours daily with focus, you can clear this exam. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to subscribe because I am going to help you cover the entire UGC NET Criminology syllabus with concepts, previous year's question papers, and revision strategies.